The project had 2 phases, now complete. The initial phase was the phase where Coast Development Authority did some afforestation program, and we did a lot of forest cover plantation. The second phase is where we partnered with the community and we were able to place 218 acres of land and irrigation. Beside the 218 acres that are the farmland supposed to be used by the community, we do have an additional 10 acres where we CDA are deciding to put it as a demonstration farm to teach the farmers on modern irrigation method and even pilot on methods of cropping, which is going to serve as the farmer field school. In these 218 acres, we have placed inbuilt irrigation infrastructure, and this irrigation infrastructure consists of piped irrigation canals and 9 pump sets. These are portable pump sets which will allow the farmers to remove these pump sets should there be this flooding, which we periodically see during the rainy season. Therefore, we had placed 9 irrigation canals, each canal attached to a portable pump, and that's going to irrigate a total of 218 acres of farmland. These 218 acres are owned by community members, and each member owns 1 acre to cultivate for his family. The purpose of this project was to make this community food secure, and generally in line with our priority development agenda of food security and nutrition. We felt the community here can use the available land for the purpose of farming and thereafter become food secure. You are already seeing what had come out of this intervention. We already have crop on the field which are almost maturing. That's what we are seeing. In terms of costing, I must say that this project is really costed at a small amount of money, because we had placed irrigation infrastructures in 218 acres. The total cost on the community side will include the infrastructure and the farm input, and precisely that will cost 22 million shillings, not more than that. Precisely, this is subsistence farming, and we expect first the community should address their food security needs. So we expect many of the product here should first serve the community food need. Nevertheless, because we know there are some farms which have placed horticultural crops on their field, like tomatoes, onions, we expect those to now take their produce to the nearby market.
Imetusaidia kwa lengo la kutuwezesha ili tukaweze kunufaika katika hali ya kupambana na janga la njaa, hususan eneo hili mara kwa mara lilikuwa linategemea chakula cha msaada kwa siku nyingi sana, na ni kutokana na hali hiyo sasa ndio alarm ikawa raised na kutakikana kupatikane suluhu ya kudumu. Hivyo basi katika kushughulikia suluhu ya kudumu ndio mradi huu ikabidi uwe utaanzishwa, na ulipoanzishwa ikatakikana njia ya kumwezesha mwananchi akaweze kuhakikisha anapata chakula cha kutosha, na ni katika